To take a screenshot in incognito mode, you would take the same steps you would if you were sharing a website link. You can either tap on the address bar at the top of the page and then select the share icon, or you can select the three dots to the top right-hand corner of the screen and tap on share from there. You'll then be presented with different sharing options, of which you're going to select long screenshot. Here, you can select the dimensions of your screenshot by dragging the arrows at either end, whether you want it to be longer or shorter. Once finished with your adjustments, tap on the tick or checkmark symbol and select Save to save it to your gallery or Share to send it to someone else. Something to note is that your phone will recognize this as a downloaded picture rather than a screenshot, so it will end up in the album Downloads in your gallery. As always, thanks for watching.